I'm going to teach you how to install and configure Burp Suite Community Edition on your computer and set it up with Firefox to help you get started with web application security testing. Let's jump right in, and we'll go through this process step by step to make sure everything is clear and straightforward. First, you'll need to download Burp Suite Community Edition, which is a free tool available on the Portswigger website. Open your browser and go to portswigger.net/burp/community download. Once you're there, download the Burp Suite Community Edition to your computer. After the download completes, you'll proceed to install it. It's a typical installation process where you can simply follow the prompts. So, just click Next, Next, and then Finish to complete the installation. Once installed, it's time to open Burp Suite. Launch the application, and you'll find an option for Temporary Project. Go ahead and click on that, then click Next, and finally, Start Burp. This will get Burp Suite up and running, ready to capture traffic. Now, navigate to the Proxy tab and select Options. Here, you should see a listener configuration. By default, you'll see the interface set to 127.0.0.1, and the port will be 8080. These settings are crucial for the next steps. The next part involves setting up a browser. We'll use Firefox for this demonstration. Go ahead and open Firefox. Click on the menu button that looks like 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then head to Add-ons and Themes. Use the search bar to find Foxy Proxy Standard, which is a convenient extension for managing proxies. Click Add to Firefox, and then confirm by hitting Add. You'll know it's installed when you see a small Foxy Proxy icon appear in the top right corner of your browser. With Foxy Proxy installed, it's time to configure it to work with Burp Suite. Click on the Foxy Proxy icon and select Options. Here, you will add a new proxy configuration. Click Add New Proxy and fill in the necessary information. Title it Burp. Choose HTTP as the proxy type. Enter 127.0.1 for the host or IP, and set the port to 8080. Save these settings. Now, with Burp Suite running and proxy settings configured, you need to download the Burp certificate. In Firefox, type http://burp in the address bar. The page will guide you to click on CA certificate. Download and save this certificate file, often named something like cert.dar, to your computer. Finally, it's important to import this certificate into Firefox. Go back to the Firefox menu, head to Settings, and then click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find the Certificates section and click on View Certificates. Under the Authorities tab, click Import and choose the file you just downloaded. Make sure you check the option that says Trust this CA to identify websites. Click OK, and then restart Firefox to apply these changes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up Burp Suite with Firefox, and you're ready to start exploring web security in a controlled environment. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident in navigating these tools.